Welcome to online class session, children. So we are learning about games and fun. Games and fun. Children, we should play together. So we should always play together. So team games, they communicate and cooperate. So team games, they communicate and cooperate among each other. They cooperate and communicate among the team members. So playing games is a good exercise and an enjoyment. So everyone should play and we should give a chance. We should give a chance to play for others. So when we are playing grouply, we should give a chance for playing others. So means of recreation, children. So there are different kinds of means of recreation. So for our enjoyment, so there are different kinds of means of recreation. All of us need to have some fun and enjoyment. We all need certain fun and enjoyment. So we all need certain different kinds of enjoyment, and we also certain need recreation. So why do we play games? To be fresh and active. To be fresh and active. So we get certain recreations through many recreations like celebrating birthdays and festivals. Celebrating birthdays and festivals and having lunch together. And watching TVs and movies. We watch TVs and movies together. So these are different kinds of visiting, making us to be recreated, or visiting any fairs or circus, or playing any different kinds of games, or dancing, performing dancing. So these are the different kinds of means of recreation to enjoy, or certain people will go for certain fairs. So fairs and circus are a means of olden days. In olden days they used to play. So they used to go for fairs. They used to go and visiting a fair. So by visiting the fairs, this is an old means of recreation. These are the means of an old recreation. So fairs are the most enjoyable means of recreation. They are held on only special occasions. They are held only on special occasions like Diwali, Dasara, Christmas and New Year's. So on any special occasions only their fairs are used to be held. So there is a big open place. There is a big open grounds. There will be different kinds of grounds. Open place will be there to conduct. So different kinds of stalls will be kept there, either vegetables, toys or eatable things to be held there. So there are many food stalls, activities, different kinds of activities. There are a lot of swings, slides to play. So games for the children. So the children enjoy to play in the fairs and circus. So circus is a place, children. Circus is a place where a group of people perform, who travel from one place to another place. They travel from one place to another place to entertain people. So they travel from one place to another place to entertain for the sake of the people. So the circus is held in oval or circular shape. So how it is made? It is made up of a tent. So different kinds of animals will be performed. So it has a large tent. So everyone gets area enclosed. They enjoy by astonishing. They will surprise by playing different kinds of exotic acrobats. So acrobats means children gymnastics. So the people perform in the circus certain kinds of exercises, physical exercises. And jugglers means in the air they will fly and jump or hopping like that. So clowns means children jokers. These are the people who make fun and entertain walk from this side to that side, from east to west or north to south, like that. So hula hoppers means they jump on the ropes. They hop from one place to another place. So circus is a group of people perform. They travel from one place to another place to entertain for the sake of the people. So a circus is held in a oval or circular area. A circus is held in a oval or circular area. So it is wholly enclosed by a large tent. So everyone gets amazed to see the astonishing and exciting stunts to enjoy for the sea and stunts. So these are performed in olden days. Circus is used to be seen in the olden days. And next one, children, kite flying. So children, kite flying. So people, the children like to fly kite. So in olden days, the children like to fly kite flying and watching circuses. So children love to play kite flying. So on which days we will play, children? On Pongal days, Makar Sankranti. On Makar Sankranti we like to play flight kite. So children, there are certain rules when we fly the kites. We should follow certain rules, children. So always fly kites away from roads. We should always fly the kites away from the road. So there are different colors of kites in the sky during the day. We can observe different kinds of colors of kites in the sky, children. So if you tangle lines with another kite, don't pull the line, it may break. So we should not pull any lines, it may break. So fly kites in an open space. We should fly the kites in an open space. So never fly kites in lightning. Never fly the kites in lightning, and only play on the terrace. Only play on the terrace. Avoid flying kites on the terraces, or don't go near to the edges, children. On the top of the houses, we should not go near to the edges. So avoid these things when we are flying the kites, children. And not only these, the children like to enjoy top spinning. So they will rope with the rope and they lose. So top spinning also is a game. Most people like to enjoy, children. Children, now open your term books, children. Open your term books, lesson 5, grammar part, children. I'll tell. Lesson 5, page number 169. Page number 169, children. So children, page number 169, children, fill in the blanks. First one, children. Children love to fly dash on Makar Sankranti. So what do children like to fly? Kites. Second one, children, we need time to dash and dash ourselves. We need certain time to play and relax ourselves. We need certain time to play and relax ourselves. Turn the next page, children, page number 170. There is a dash in the school who gives training to students. So who will give training, teacher? Children, the teacher will give training to play the different kinds of games. And next one, children, a good sports person has dash spirit. So a good sports person should have sportsman spirit. You should have certain sportsman spirit. Next one, children, take the correct answer. The games should not be played. So where we should not play? On the street or in the house or in the playground. All of these. So which is the correct one, children? On the street. So first one, take it A1. And next one, children, which of these is a classroom puzzle? So crossword, jigsaw and puzzle, all of these. So we can play all of these games in the classroom. And next, children, which of these is a means of recreation? So fair, circus and celebrating birthday. Or all of these? All of these. We can do all these are the means of a recreation, children. And next, children, match the following. So Chinese checker. So Chinese checker means what? It is an what type of game, children? It is an indoor game. It is an indoor game. Matching, children. Match the following. Next, second one. So football. Football is an which type of game, children? Outdoor game. Football is an outdoor game. And next one, children, Pitu. So it is an 7 stones players. We should play with the game with the 7 stones. And visiting a market. It is a type of a means of recreation, children. B. And next page, children, last page. Recognize the following games in page number 171. Recognize the following games. See, children, if you observe the picture, what is that one? Jigsaw. What it is? Jigsaw. First one, write down. If you observe the picture, what it is? It is chessboard. So it is chess. And third one, children. What it is? By seeing the picture, what do you observe, children? It is a snake and ladder. Snake and ladder. Okay, children, write with pencil in your web books. Thank you, children.